Hey guys, just a quick update on what I'm up to next. I'm working on this LEGO Fortnite Battle Bus. This is again for my LEGO Fortnite Stop Motion movie that's coming out. That's the thing about making LEGO stop motion videos. It actually takes quite a bit of time to build the props. Now obviously in LEGO Fortnite, one of the major features is the Battle Bus. So I'm going to need to make something that at least looks like a battle bus. It might not be perfect, but it's going to be close enough. And to be honest, it's actually only going to be a very small part of the actual movie. That's the thing when you're making LEGO stop motion. Everything takes a little bit of time. And not only does it take time, but it takes a lot of pieces as well. Sometimes when you're doing a LEGO stop motion video, you actually just go ahead and make up one scene at a time because you might not have enough pieces. I'm going to just keep going with this battle bus and see if I can actually find enough pieces to put it all together. Now there's no guarantees here because the battle bus is actually quite large and I don't have a lot of blue. Well, I do have a bit of blue, but it's all faded and that's no good. But you've got to go ahead and just find the pieces. You know, sometimes you have enough pieces and sometimes you don't. But I think it's coming together okay. I'm a bit worried about the roof because I don't think I've got enough curved blue pieces. I'm not sure if I've got enough curved white pieces either, so it's going to be a little bit of a test of my patience. And I don't really like buying extra pieces for these sorts of things because, you know, you don't get your money back on them. And I've got too much Lego as it is. It's always never enough of the right pieces. And I see that a lot in the comments where people are saying, well, yeah, that's excellent, but I don't have the pieces. And I totally understand because I actually don't have most of the pieces myself. It's always usually I'm missing one piece and I've got to go through and sort through piles and piles of Lego just to find the one piece I'm looking for. I don't like to sort my Lego in containers because it's not very good for creativity, I find. So anyway, this has just been a quick video, just letting you know what I'm up to next. Hopefully I can get this video out maybe by tomorrow if I've got enough pieces. If I don't, well, the LEGO Fortnite stop motion video will probably be delayed. But I'm hoping to get it out soon, so we'll just see what happens, I guess. So anyway, this is what I'm working on next. Go ahead and check out my other LEGO Fortnite videos and let me know of some other things you think I need to have in my video. And don't forget to subscribe so that you're the first to know when the videos come out. But I think the bus is coming along nicely. I've got to work on the front here and I've got to find some nice curved pieces. So we'll just keep working on it and let you know how I go. And hopefully you'll see another video coming out soon. So that's all I've got time for today. Please subscribe and bye for now.